Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Taylor Monet, and I'm coming back with a new video. If you're a single mom and you trying to hurry up and get a meal cooked, this is the video for you. Before y'all ask me why I got this on my head, I'm at work, y'all. I work from home and I'm cooking and I'm recording. I'm doing a lot. So make sure y'all subscribe so I can get to this money on. Parsley. I'm gonna go over to my other pot, and now it's time to go ahead and let this start boiling. Okay, so next cilantro lime. We're gonna let this boil. So come over here so y'all can see me boil this. Y'all see that? That's how it should look. It's steaming. Now, you just put the rice in there. So this is the salmon, y'all. A little bit pot. It's boiling. So now it's time to turn it down. And I'm just gonna open it. Looking pretty good there. Let's see it. It's starting to firm up. Okay, so now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and flip the salmon. So let's look at that. Yes, so that looks good. Next, I'm gonna put some seasoning, like just salt and pepper, in the corn. It's right here. Yeah, so it is time to take out some of the salmon that's already cooked. Those three. Okay, so the salmon is almost done. Corn is steaming, nice and hot. I need to put thing on there. This right here, while that cooks. And now let's check on the rice. The rice almost done. And we'll go ahead and add the rice to each one. Make sure I get all my rice, baby. Okay, so you know I could not leave y'all hanging. So this the one I'm gonna eat when I get back from working out. I'm finna go work out, but I'm gonna save my food until after I finish. But yeah, let's taste it. Make sure it tastes good. Mm-hmm. 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 Baby, that's good. If you ain't cooking it, what are you doing? Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Bye.